The rest of Mendy's coming. BBK Goalkeeper Academy is for the rest of the world. So I do wish that BBK Goalkeeper Academy can also go into areas, countries like Zimbabwe, Malawi, Zambia, all over Africa and all over the world. That's our main motive, that we're going to reach that stage. So if anyone is willing to come here in South Africa, you are always welcome to come, because we're going to also open everywhere in Africa for everyone to succeed. That's our main objective. Thank you so much.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please let me take this opportunity to welcome you on the BBK page. My name is Ben Bigo. Yeah, I'm the founder of BBK. I just want to tell people about the achievement that we've done for BBK, the goalkeepers that we produce. This weekend, on Monday, we're playing the Varsity Cup with UWC in Pretoria. For the first time, UWC get a trophy to win the cup, and then I was happy because one of my goalkeepers that used to come to BBK, Rigel Ngobeni, she was a hero. Yes, she was a hero. She saved 3 penalties on finally, and then I was happy for my job, because you know, at the end of the day, when you do something, you need the results. And then on Monday, I've got the results. It shows that we're working very hard. Other thing, Odwa Lahle, the young lady goalkeeper in the academy, she got, I won't say a call-up. She's going to Johannesburg to help RV to play Asian tournament under 17 for the first time. And then you know, sometimes when good things happen to you, and then sometimes you ask, oh, why me? You know, I'm very happy, and good luck to Odwa, and I hope Odwa is doing very well, Sisi. BBK is going to support you all the way, and we hope Odwa won't concede any goal, as Rigel Ngobeni conceded only 1 goal in that tournament. And thank you very much to the supporters again. People that they want to assist or they want to fund whatever you have, BBK is here, guys. We don't go around to ask things to people, but if you see it's a good thing that we're doing here, you can come and support. Anything that you want to support to BBK, you're welcome. Thank you very much.